Hi friends, welcome to the quiz star. Let's check your observation skills. Can you find the odd numbers, letters and emoji within given time? There are three levels: easy, medium and hard. Are you ready? Let's go! Start with the easy level. Hey quiz champion, welcome back. Nobody can find 35 within given time. Wow, quiz champion, the first challenge. Find the odd emoji, only 10 seconds. Wow, super catch the different emoji. Hey quiz champion, 99% viewer failed to find P, only 10 seconds. Come on quiz champion, challenge your eyes. Can you complete the easy level? Hey, perfect, the super fast eyes. Hey, spot the odd super fruit within given time. Wow, nice catch, this super fruit. Find the odd number 5, only 10 seconds. Hey quiz champion, my question is hard, but my viewer is super genius. Come on, my genius viewer. Wow, perfect, my genius viewer. Come on. Hey champion, find the odd fruit within given time. Perfect, the different fruit. Find the odd one, 85 within given time. Wow, that's one. Are you focus master? Find C, only 10 seconds. Come on, quiz champion. No rest, no time. Hey, perfect. You are focus master. Hey, pick the odd emoji within given time. Perfect. You are picking master. Test your brain. Find 15, only 10 seconds. Wow, perfect, super brain. Test your eyes, find 63 within given time. Hey, super catch, completed a easy level. Medium level start. Hey quiz champion, spot the different within given time. Wow, nice catch, the different number. Find the odd emoji out within given time. Come on, quiz champion. Wow, perfect. The different emoji. Genius, can you find 480 within given time? Wow, perfect. The odd number. Hey, champion, find the odd cute cat within given time. Wow, super catch the cute cat. Find the odd one out within given time. Nice catch the odd number. Hey, quiz champion, find the repeated two numbers within given time. Wow, perfect. The repeated number is 4. Find the odd chicken emoji within given time. Come on, quiz champion. Excellent. Perfect. The different chicken emoji. Find the odd letter TEC within given time. Wow, perfect. Letter is found. Only one person viewer passed this challenge. Find 199. Super catch, completed a medium level. Start with the hard level. Hey, quiz champion, challenge your eyes to find 45 and 84. Wow, nice catch. Super eyes. Find the odd emoji out within given time. Come on, quiz champion. Come fast. Excellent. The different emoji. Only smart guys find 68 and 12. Hey, perfect! You are smart, guys. Find the odd cute panda. Hey, super catch, cute panda. Spot the odd letter. Excellent. Letter is found. Hey, check your IQ level. Find double 49. Wow, fantastic! Test your observation skills, point 75 and 55. Wow, super observation skills. Can you find the odd one? 2005. Wow, perfect! The 2005. Test your visual skills, point 13. Wow, super visual skills. Find the odd number 2002 within given time. Hey, perfect! Easily find. Anybody can find within given time. Yes, perfect. Spot the odd number 53. Wow, nice catch the odd number. Hey, pick the odd emoji. Picking master, come on. Wow, nice catch the different emoji. Hey, quiz champion, the final test within given time. Wow, excellent work, quiz champion. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Please like, subscribe and share. Next challenge